have a dull skin? Are you a dark skin person and you want to achieve a caramel skin tone, or you want to glow your skin, or have you lost your skin tone, or you have an even skin tone and you want to restore and repair your skin? In this video, I'm going to share my honest review on Carotone Oil and shiny body lotion. This lotion is formulated with cocoa, all right, and this Carotone Oil is also formulated with a carrot and a papaya. Okay, but in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can use these two combo to glow your skin and to also brighten your skin as well. In this video I will be sharing with you who is supposed to use this two combination. I'll share with you guys how you can use it perfectly to achieve the exact results that you want, and I'll also share with you guys the side effect of not using these two combination well. Okay,
Carotone Oil,
a product formulated with carrot, papaya, citric acid, kojic acid, and a bit of hydroquinone, and it's good for lightening the skin. And shiny cocoa body lotion also is formulated with cocoa, vitamin E, shea butter, and other natural ingredients. It's good for a dark skin person who wants to glow the skin. This product is mainly formulated for normal skin people, oily skin people, dry skin people, and also a combination skin people. All right, and one thing I've noticed about this product is that when you are using it, you have to protect the skin from the sun. Okay, a child can use these two products that I'm coming to talk about. A child from the age of 8 years and above. So this is how you are going to use these two combo. You can get a very nice shower gel, a very nice cake soap, and use for bathing. Okay, then after bathing you have to mix half of this oil to the shiny body lotion. This is how the shiny body lotion is. It's a very nice mild lotion. This is how it is. It does not contain enough body oil, so if you are the type who want to brighten or glow the skin, you can pour this lotion in a container, all right, and pour half of this oil inside. Mix it very well before applying on the skin after bathing. It smells so nice. It's made with cocoa, so you can smell the fragrance of a cocoa inside. And this is the Carotone body oil. This is how the oil is. It smells nice, and because it contains a bit of hydroquinone, you can smell the hydroquinone inside. Please, when you are using these two combo, don't apply it on the face. It should be used only on the skin. You can mix it and store it down in a cool place. Okay, the roles it plays on the skin is that it brings out your natural glow. It gives you even tone skin. It gives you radiant skin tone. It gives you a very nice flawless skin tone. It clears dark spots on the skin. It makes the skin very smooth. It makes the skin very soft, and it's lighting the skin when you use it consistently with a very nice shower gel. Okay, it's good for a child at the age of 8 years to use also, and you are supposed to use it morning and evening. Okay, you can use the product that you've mixed together, the Carotone oil with the shiny body lotion. You use it morning and evening. The side effect I've noticed about this product when you don't use it very well is that it gives you severe sunburn when you expose the skin under the sun. All right, so make sure you protect the skin from the sun when we are using it, and it gives you dark knuckles when you expose the skin under the sun. But if you use it correctly, you use it perfectly at night very well, you wouldn't have any skin problem or any challenges. All right, it's very good for glowing the skin. It's good for nourishing the skin. It's good for moisturizing the skin, and it's good for brightening and toning the skin. It helps you to achieve a very nice even tone skin. Okay, if you want to achieve a smooth skin, you can use it as well. So beautiful people, if you have ever used these two products before, you can share your review with me, or you can leave a comment under the video. And please do what to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification, so that anytime I drop a video here, you will be the first person to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. All I want